Hello, good morning, or it's afternoon already in Dubai. I'm here now at Yerevan, Armenia. After I arrived at the airport, I went straight to my hostel. I took the minibus 201, which cost 300 dirham. Yeah, it takes about like 30 minutes. Then I checked in to Mid-City Hostel. I was staying in a bunk. I like their place. It's in the center. It's with curtains and locker. The only thing I don't like is that I think there's just one toilet with 30 of us sharing it, but it was clean. It's just I think it's not enough. For the first day here, I'll not do much. I'll just have a chill time walking around Yerevan because in Georgia I was tired. I was sleepless. Today I'll take the time. So first stop is Republic Square. Climbing up now the cascade. Let's go see Mount Ararat. Momo, that's a lot of stairs. I go, and I don't have time to rest because it's almost sunset at 7:30. I think now it's 7:20-ish, so I need to hurry up. Oh no. And I really need to start going to gym now. I feel so unhealthy. I go. Okay, I made it to the top, guys, but Mount seems to be hiding behind the clouds. That's it for tonight, guys. It's so cold outside, and tomorrow is the first tour out of 3, so hopefully we have a good weather since I will go to the mountains of Armenia. So last time I checked, it is sunny tomorrow, but we don't know, right? Because it always changes, but hopefully, fingers crossed, see you in the mountains tomorrow. mountains behind. Perfect place to eat lunch and have coffee.
So hopefully another big weather tomorrow.
So far, the second tour went well. We visited a temple and a monastery, and at the end, we went to Symphony of Stones. And now I'm back here at Yerevan. So tomorrow is the last tour. Looking forward to it, and I'm doing a wine tour. So it should be interesting because I have a bit of a knowledge now from Georgia. So we'll see. I'm back at Yerevan now, so no other better way to end the trip other than a wine tour. So I'm going back to London tomorrow. It's a red-eye flight, so there's nothing much to do, so I'll end the vlog here. I mean, Armenia is a very interesting country. I learned a lot as well, and I really like the gata. It's like a sweet cookie from here. And yeah, it's smaller than Georgia, so the tours like are a bit shorter compared to Georgia. They have good wine as well, but they're more known for their brandy. And yeah, that's about it. So see you on the next adventure, I guess. Bye.